It can be hard to get everyone in your organization on the same page with your content strategy. Here's a recipe for connecting the dots for everyone in your organization. There are 3 steps. First, you need to identify the business objective that your content is going to help. Second, you need to identify the content objective. And third, you need to identify the content purpose. Then you can share how the business objective connects to the content purpose and ultimately the content results. So as an example, your business objective may be to increase sales. To increase sales, you may need to develop content that interacts with your customer at different points in their journey. And so your goal might be to increase traffic or increase leads or something else. When you know that your goal is to increase traffic or increase leads, it then helps you identify the purpose. How will that content help the customer? So when you can answer, the content should help the customer, and you fill in the blanks, here are some examples for the awareness stage of the customer journey. So some of those purposes might be understand the category, introduce themselves to our brand, understand the problem they face. When you can connect these dots, 1, 2, 3, you will drive alignment inside your organization and you will keep making great content.